Chin down a little bit. Very good. Perfect. Good. You okay? Good. What I'm feeling for, guys, is I feel the tension in her neck right here. So here is not quite as tight as down here. And she can feel that. Okay. Wow. Sorry, that one hurt. Sorry about that. Yeah, that left side was definitely worse than the right side.
Yeah, just breathe through your nose. Oh yeah, very good.
That was money.
Now I went ahead and held your head on that one so it wouldn't fall over the end of the table. Got you to tilt your head right for me. Perfect. Now tilt left. That's it. Boy. Our YouTube videos, including my wife Renee. There we go. Good job. Unless y'all go back and like and share those videos. So I'm asking for your help. Feel that all the way down, Andrew?
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, boy, they're gonna love that one. Good old Palmer diversified cervical adjustment.
This side up from your sitting. Facing this way. Relax, relax. Nice. Oh, what a good patient. The other side. Now everything's moving. Did you work this weekend? Yeah. Oh my God, nice. Go face up. Relax as much as you can, though. Nice.
And noted some segmental restrictions. Very good. Okay. Good movement here. Relax right in here. Very good. Let me have you lay face down right here for me, sir. Right there's fine. Entire treatment plan. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Good. Relax right in here. Good. Okay, relax right here. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Okay, relax right in here. Right here, we're just we're getting in here and we're providing some mobility. Good. Let me have you lay on your side facing this way. All right, right there. All right, right here. Top leg bent, bottom leg straight. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Lay on your side facing the opposite way for me. All right. Same thing here. Top leg bent, bottom leg straight. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Excellent. Thank you very much.
10 or 15 before people start coming in. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Deep breath for me. Oh, yeah. Good. Oh. Nice. Face this way for me. And you had a herniated disc, what, in 6 years ago or so? No, 3 years ago.
3 years ago.
Deep breath. All right. Relax for me. Perfect. Wowzers. Go face up. Relax for me. Oh, man. And you get migraines, right?
Yeah.
One more. Oh. And as creases, ears start turning red. That's a good thing. All the blood's rushing up there.
Oh yeah. There we go. You feel that all the way down, Eddie?
Yes, sir. Can we do the opposites on the...
Oh, you went this way first. No, this way, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect. Oh boy.
That's what I...
That's why crack addicts love you.
And bring this back. Let me just. Good. So I feel a little restriction down here in the sacrum and our L5 vertebrae. Good. Wow. Gosh, that was loud. Let's see. Let's go on the other side. There we go. Bend this top leg here. Good. So you can feel at our L2, L3, there's some joint misalignments in the vertebrae. We're going to go right into them and reset the joints. Great. And let's see, let's go face up on the table. Good. Cross both arms. Give yourself a real big hug. Good. Very good. Great.
You get a little nervous, don't you?
Yeah.
I'm not going to go hard. Take your time. Yeah.
Oh my god.
I thought you said you'd been adjusting for.
Oh, okay. Go ahead.
Okay. Nice and relaxed here. Good.
Ow!
Contacting the lamina right here, just let it go. And adjusting straight P to A. We're gonna get a little bit lower. Look at that, already went. Good job. Okay, now let's have you sit over here. Spine vertebrae. There we go. Yep, now let your head back. Look at that.
Okay.
Perfect.
I haven't had that one in a long time.
Yep, now I'm gonna have you turn your right side. So I do more of a P to A. There we go, good, okay. Here, let it go. There it is, right there, good. Okay, let's turn you on your back.